You know what I'm saying? I think that's fucking perverting. Why are you thinking about the little girls? What the fuck? I'm tired of this shit. Man, shut the fuck up. Probably want them to be your girlfriends and shit. Just hear somebody click open a fucking beer can and shit like that. Shit like that. Hell yeah. Try to ignore something. You know what I'm saying? These motherfuckers is grown. They can help they damn self. I don't give a fuck. If it's a helpless little kid, then I'm doing something. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, I'm sitting back drinking a beer, smoke a blunt with a werewolf. You know what I'm saying? Shit